Here we have our M367VL clear backpack. Your monogram goes here on the front pocket. Measure top to bottom and side to side to find center of the pocket polyester trim. Use 2 sheets of 9x9 firm tearaway inside the pocket to stabilize and protect the inside of the pocket when monogrammed. Slide the unzipped pocket onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp. Use our custom centering jig to confirm center. This tool is very useful to avoid having to measure every single item. Trace sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside of the frame. Now you can begin sewing. All the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our custom centering jigs can be purchased individually as well as a set of 4. These jigs are helpful tools to have when you're using hoop-tech clamps frames on a variety of our products. Our 9x9 firm tearaway backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. When your sew is complete, remove product from frame and tear away backing. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to find the items used in this video.